Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to find the position of the student, like first, second and third position in the name and mass are given here. We can see that. So it is difficult to find the first student of how many maximum mass 91. Here we can see that also 95. So there is a difficult to find the position. So I have write a formula like equal and write x log of bracket, then write large, then bracket, and then select the marks, then press F4 and then comma, then the position cell, this one first one, and then bracket close, then comma, then we can press again the marks, select this, and then press F4, then comma, then select the names of the student and then press F4 and bracket close and enter. And here we can see that the first position is Imran. Here we can see that they are get 8 number, so they are get 95 maximum marks. So apply this formula to all, press double click on this sign plus sign and the formula are applied. So here we can see that first, second and third position. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.